Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a couple of glam crystal apothecaries or storage containers, however you choose to use them. So what you'll need, you're going to need some of these teardrop pendants. They're for EFavormart. And I have some of this floral diamond wrap. It is also from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need a little fluted vase like this. You'll need one of these glass canisters with a lid. You'll need this tall glass vase, and you'll need a pack of these little votive Tealight holders, and you will need one of these lidded candy dishes. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond. And if I happen to add any additional items to this list, they will be in the description box below for you guys as well. These are the items that we'll need to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Hey you guys, didn't these Glam crystal decorative canisters turn out absolutely beautifully? They were so easy to make, and you could use them in any number of ways. You could put cookies in the large one or candies. You could use them for bathroom decor, display. You could just keep them empty just like they are and display them just as Glam decor pieces. But yeah, they were super easy to make, so let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys, another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.